You see this? This is the AeroBand guitar. And click, just like that, it snaps into place. You turn it on. And you get, first thing you see when you turn this beautiful, highly innovative guitar is these beautiful LED lights, which actually light up where you are touching the strings, the silicone strings that are actually attached to the neck. So it's super convenient. These are real strings. Okay, you have touch sensitive strings, which you can also change, okay, if you need to, right? So there's also a touch sensitive bar here that mutes the strings and also allows you to play palm mute. Okay, so this is a guitar. So before we start checking out the buttons and all the different features, okay, and there are a lot of features in this awesome guitar. For example, drum loops you can play with. And I'm also giving this one away, by the way. I'm doing a giveaway. And one of my patrons on Patreon is gonna win this, so you can join and support Licknriff. As you know, there are many smart guitars and digital guitars out there, but this one is a real innovation. This one thinks completely outside the box. It's also a MIDI controller. Now, the guitar itself hosts a plethora of sounds, okay? You have an acoustic guitar, you have a brighter acoustic guitar, okay? And now you have electric guitars as well. You have more electric guitar sounds. And the answer to your question, by the way, is that you can and should play fingerstyle on it. You also have classical guitar. Now you can adjust the string sensitivity and turn on hammer-ons, pull-offs, and slides in the app. Okay, the app kind of connects automatically to the guitar via Bluetooth, and we're gonna get there. But now let's check out my absolute favorite sound, the piano. Now, this is a good time to show the capo feature. The capo feature, you can actually put a capo on the 4th fret and then you're playing on the 4th fret. But you can also tune the capo down. So you can go really dark if you want. Let's go back to the piano. Now this is really, and if we go back to the piano and go as low as we can go, this is a MIDI controller, I remind you. You can connect it to your computer and record using any sound you want. And that's not all. You also have bass. Now this is way too low for bass, so I'm bringing it up to real tuning. Okay, and you have okay, you have bass. You have banjo. of course, you can always turn the volume down for silent practice. And this way no one barges into your room and yells at you. Okay. Now, there are also drum loops. Okay. You have Latin drum loops. You have regular rock beats, and you can use the capo keys to make it faster or slower. You can practice with it, right? You can adjust the volume, the drum loop volume, and the guitar volume to your liking, and just play to your heart's content. And you can always connect headphones or earphones and play completely in complete silence and solitude. Now, there's also an app, and it just connected to my guitar via Bluetooth. Now, the really cool thing here is that the app also knows where you're putting your fingers, because this is all touch sensitive. Now, you can use the simplify chord option. If you're having trouble with barred chords, for example, you can determine that if you play this, then it will play this. You can adjust it. So this is basically the first thing you see here, that you can simplify chords for your own personal preference. But my absolute favorite thing is that you can actually turn on hammer-ons, pull-offs, and slides and adjust the string sensitivity. I just turned on hammer-ons, pull-offs, and slides, and open string hammer-ons. This is a separate option. Okay, now turns on the options for me. See, things that I can't do on piano, but I can do on guitar. So this is really, really cool. You can also change the tuning. Okay, you can tune this guitar any way you like. This is just incredible. This is just amazing, and it feels great, and it looks great. The AeroBand guitar, it's just fantastic. It's mind-blowing, and it's a lot of fun, and you're gonna leave me alone with the piano guitar so I can have fun with it. But first, let me remind you of the giveaway. One of you is gonna receive this guitar. This very guitar, by the way, I'm gonna send it to you personally to one of my patrons on Patreon, so you can join my Patreon and support Licknriff. Now, if you can't wait and you want to grab one of these awesome AeroBand guitars, AeroBand is giving you 5% off with the link in the description, okay, just for you Licknriffers. So thank you, AeroBand. This is a really, really awesome invention. It's a real innovation in the world of guitar, which is something that is very, very rare, actually. So kudos to you on this. Now, yeah, I am gonna make you a lesson on piano style playing, okay? I know that you want one. I know that you're gonna ask me for one, so you're gonna get it. All right, so thank you, AeroBand. Go grab yourself one, join my Patreon, and you might win this beautiful AeroBand guitar. All right, so thank you so much, AeroBand, and I'll see you guys the next lesson.